What if Mercedes-AMG just created the ultimate open-top performance machine for the next generation? Imagine a luxury Grand Tourer with brutal AMG performance, aggressive styling, and the thrill of driving with the roof completely down. According to the latest rumors and automotive design interpretations, the 2027 Mercedes-AMG CLE 63 Cabriolet could become one of the most exciting AMG convertibles Mercedes has ever built. And if this is even close to what Mercedes is preparing, this car could redefine the modern performance convertible. Let's break down the design, interior, expected engine, price rumors, and the competitors this AMG monster will face. First, let's talk about the design, because the CLE 63 Cabriolet looks absolutely stunning. At the front, the car immediately shows its AMG identity. The aggressive Panamericana grille with vertical slats dominates the entire front fascia, with the large Mercedes star sitting proudly in the center. It gives the car a bold and intimidating presence on the road. The headlights are sleek and sharp, featuring a modern LED signature that makes the front end look focused and futuristic. Large air intakes in the lower bumper add both cooling and aggressive styling, reinforcing the car's performance character. Moving to the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. A slim LED light bar stretches across the width of the car, creating a modern and high-tech lighting signature. Below that, the bold Mercedes-AMG lettering spreads across the trunk, emphasizing its performance identity. The lower section features a sporty rear diffuser and the signature quad AMG exhaust outlets, hinting at the serious performance hiding under the hood. Now let's talk about what could power this machine. According to current rumors, the 2027 Mercedes-AMG CLE 63 Cabriolet could adopt AMG's latest high-performance hybrid system. This setup may include a 2.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor, similar to the AMG C63 SE performance system. Inside, the cabin reflects modern AMG luxury. The interior features a large portrait-style infotainment display powered by Mercedes' latest MBUX system. It controls navigation, driving modes, vehicle settings, and entertainment features. Behind the steering wheel sits a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable AMG performance displays. The AMG performance steering wheel includes drive mode controls, while ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and door panels, creating a premium nighttime atmosphere. So while Mercedes hasn't officially confirmed this model yet, the possibility of a 2027 Mercedes-AMG CLE 63 Cabriolet is incredibly exciting. A high-performance AMG convertible with stunning design, advanced technology, and explosive power. If Mercedes actually builds this car, it could become one of the most desirable performance convertibles of the decade. But the real question is, would you choose this AMG Cabriolet over rivals like the Porsche 911 or BMW M4 convertible? Let me know what you think.